here's a great mobility drill for your thoracic or T-spine or chest spine. So those vertebrae are from the bottom of our cervical spine and to the top of our lumbar spine. And they attach to ribs, and they're primarily going to drive the rotation movements of our spine. But we're gonna move them in all 4 directions. I like to do these hugging a soft ball. You don't need to hug a ball. You can just cross your arms across your chest, or you could hug a blanket or something. But I like to hug that ball because what hugging the ball does is it gives me that kyphosis, or that fullness in my back. And that kyphosis or fullness in my back sets those thoracic spine vertebrae up for their greatest amount of movement. So here we go. The first thing we're gonna do in this sort of kneeling position, and you could also do it standing or sitting, is think about curling around the ball, nodding your head down, pulling the ball into your body as you round, 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 down. You're almost thinking about bringing your elbows down towards your knees. So we don't want to go so far so that we're folding completely forward, but really just isolating the movement in the thoracic spine, one bone at a time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to twist. I like to think about driving the movement with the ball and the lower ribs. So think about twisting from your lower right ribs and your lower right back to the right. Not with your shoulder pulling you down, but really your ribs. I don't want you to get short on the right side yet. Exhale, twist. Good. Check in with your shoulder and your jaw. Make sure you're not holding any tension. Good. And now you can sort of side bend down, shorten your right side, and then we're gonna back bend. So you're gonna not lean back from your pelvis, but lift your sternum to the ceiling as you come through center. Side bend to the left. Go as far left as you can. Pull in, round, and rotate to the left. Good. Come out of the side bend. Rotate to the middle. And come back to neutral. Let's do the same thing going to the left. Hug in. Rotate to the left. Remember, not the shoulder, but the rib cage and the ball leading the twist. Good. I almost like to think about a spiral staircase, one bone at a time, twisting to the left and not getting shorter, but getting longer, like a slinky opening without thrusting ribs forward. Good. Sweating. Now take the left side bend, pull the left ribs down to the left side, and then lead back into an arch. Remember, not from your pelvis, just from lifting the sternum. Collarbones up to the ceiling as you come through center. Good. Side bend to the right. Round in. Rotate to the right. Come out of the side bend. Get a little longer without thrusting your ribs up. Twist that spiral staircase a little bit more to the right, and then rotate your spiral staircase. Start at the bra strap line, rotate one bone at a time to come back to center. That's your thoracic mobility drill.